Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. For this, I'm going to repurpose 2 of these cardboard pieces that came in the packaging, and they look like a ladder to me, so I'm just going to attach them together with a dab of a hot glue, just like that. Now you can see the ladder form, and I'm giving like hot glue everywhere so it's stay sturdy and strong. Now my display ladder is ready. I just took one piece of the cardboard and I removed the top surface to get this corrugated surface, and I'm going to make hearts out of this, and this is one of the tobacco basket on top, just like that. And I'm going to draw heart and going to cut these pieces and basically stick those pieces of hearts on top. And I drew so many hearts and then I just cut out all of them. And now I'm going to stick some greenery, which is kind of a frosted look. So I'm going to stick on top of the ladder and I'm going to attach the heart in there, just like so. On to DIY number 2, and I'm going to repurpose this one of the box that came with the hair clips and bow, and I'm going to repurpose this, and it has a nice black and white background. So, and I have this corrugated hearts from my cardboard pieces, and I'm just going to use that. And this is one of the corners of the lunch box, and it's black and foam, so it also gives like a sturdiness and also gives the decor and covers the letters on the borders. And I'm going to stick them according to the shape of the box, just like that, using dab of a hot glue. And I'm going to stick only on the 2 sides. After sticking those foam pieces, this is how it looks, beautifully decorated. Now I'm going to insert my heart decor that I attached on the background of this sheet, and I'm going to put that inside back, and this is how it looks. Isn't this cute? On to DIY number 3. For this, I'm going to repurpose one of the old mirror that just got broke, and so I'm going to stick the frame of the mirror to the mirror, just like that, using dab of a hot glue. And I'm going to attach the frame. You see that the black heart frame on top of it, and then on top of that I'm going to stick the other side of the frame, just like so. Now my mirror is all stuck together. Now I'm going to decorate some of the stickers that I got from Michaels, and I attached LOV, and for O I'm going to stick some of this greenery, and this is how it looks after it is done. And on to DIY number 4, and this is actually, I'm repurposing one of the soap petal box, and this is a clear plastic container, and I'm going to remove all the stickers and clear it with the Goo Gone to just remove all. And I'm going to attach some of this clear sheer ribbon on top of the container, just like so. And I'm basically using the sheer ribbon that came along with this soap petal box. I'm repurposing the ribbon again, and this is how it looks after it is stuck. And I'm going to stick some of this eucalyptus greenery that I got from Walmart, and I'm also going to attach one of this black and white buffalo plaid ribbon on top of it, and also some of the leftover sheer ribbon on top of it, just to give the bow a fuller look to it. And this is how it looks after it's completely done. So you have to let me know what you think about this. So these are the final result of the neutral Valentine's theme project, you guys, and these are from trash to treasure again. So this one is one of my old mirror, and it was broken, so I thought like I will use this for one of the Valentine's theme projects. So I just stuck it back together, and I stuck love sticker on it, and instead of O I stuck 2 of the greeneries, and I have greeneries on both sides, and also stuck one of the buffalo checker ribbon, white and black, on top of it. So yeah, this is going to be decorated for Valentine's theme. And this 2 cardboard pieces came in packaging, and it kind of looked like a ladder, and then I thought like I can give like a farmhouse ladder kind of look to it. So, and I also got this ornament during Christmas time from Walmart. They were 3 for $2, and then they had one of them was love, so I thought I'll use this for Valentine's theme project. And this is kind of a tobacco basket with love on it and a cute bow on top. And these two greeneries, I just stuck it from the Dollar Tree. And also this is one of the corrugated heart that I got from one of the cardboard. If you remove the top surface of the cardboard, there would be like the corrugated surface. I just made heart out of this and I stuck it so to just give like, you know, neutral Valentine's theme project. So I'm very happy how this turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this. And this one is basically the container of one of the scented soap petals, and I made a project out of this. And I removed those rose petals and I made another project. So this carton is empty. So I thought I'll fill some eucalyptus greenery in there, and I stuck one of the sheer ribbon around it. And I had buffalo checker ribbon and one more sheer ribbon on the top. And then this is some of the green hearts. So I'm very happy how this turned out. Let me know your thoughts on this as well. And here on this side, this is one of the hair bow accessory box, and I just stuck those brown hearts from the cardboard, the corrugated surface, so just to cover the spots that were like kind of torn out. And then I just stuck all the brown hearts inside. On either side of the box, I just stuck this one of the styrofoam box, the black color, and then I just had a bow on the top with buffalo checkered and some burlap and some sheer ribbon. And this is a sticker that I got from Michael's. That was like after Christmas sale, that was like $1 sticker. So I just stuck XOXOs there, and on the bottom it said you, me are meant to be. And I also stuck burlap twine around the box just to give like a farmhouse look to it. So I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.